Thank you, Ray, for the very kind introduction, and good morning to all of you. So, as Ray said, today's talk will be about willpower, very different from all the other talks that you've heard today in the IT sphere. Scientists tell us that there are two virtues that will influence more than any other thing our success in life. The first one is our innate talent and intellect, and the second one is our willpower. Unfortunately, there is very little we can do about our innate IQ. It is what it is, and it's very hard to change it during the course of our life. But about willpower, we can do a lot, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. And it all started about a year ago when I got a call from Dr. Liat Kuzniar, a naturopathic physician based out of New Jersey in the US. She also happened to be my daughter. And she says, "Daddy, I have a problem and I need your help. For the last couple of months, I've been thinking about putting together a wellness program. I want to capture, consolidate, crystallize all that I've learned in my 10 years of practice, and I want to make it available to people who are serious about improving the wellness of their life. But there is one thing that I'm missing, and that's where I need your help," she says. And that is many, if not most, of my patients are telling me that's what's failing them in their attempts to change their life is willpower, or the lack thereof. So, Daddy, she says, will you help me sort this willpower thing, understand it, grasp it, and find some approach and some solution to it? And with that started our journey for the last year or so into the science of willpower, understanding what it is, how it works, and how we can make use of it. And that's what I want to share with you today. So one of the first things we found through our research is that survey by the American Psychological Association that says 31% of the 2,000 odd people they surveyed said that their challenge in meeting their change goals, their wellness goals, is the lack of willpower. So that, in fact, corroborated my daughter's finding in her own practice. But then we went deep into studying tens and tens of peer-reviewed papers, books, all about the topic of the science of willpower. And we consolidated all of these into 6 interventions that I want to share with you today. For each one of these interventions, I will discuss the science behind them, what experiment scientists did and what they found. Then I will describe how you can use this intervention on a personal level to make the best use of it. And finally, I will do something that I haven't done before. I've been giving these talks for about 6 months now. But this here will be the first time where I'll take it to the next level and share with you ideas on how you can use these interventions at the corporate level. So these interventions are the willpower muscle, mindfulness, laying the foundation for change, the habit loop, surf the urge, which I'm sure you'll find interesting, and then the accountability partner.